Plugging into the sun. Sunlight provides us with more energy than we need. So why aren't we using solar power more? Our sun is the most powerful source of energy on Earth. Worldwide, humans use about 16 terawatts of energy a year. The sun produces 120,000 terawatts annually, much more than we consume. Today, though, solar power is used very little. It generates less than 1/10 of 1% of the world's electricity each year. Why don't we use solar power more? To answer this question, it's important to understand the two main ways we gather energy from the sun. The first way is to place flat, computer-guided mirrors in a field. The mirrors focus sunlight onto a receiver on a tower, and this produces steam. The steam is then used to produce electricity. The second way of gathering energy from the sun is to use PV panels. The panels collect sunlight and convert it into electricity. Most people have seen PV panels on buildings. Small ones are also on some handheld calculators. Both ways of gathering solar energy have their advantages. Unlike oil or coal, solar power generates clean energy that produces very little pollution. However, the steam generation method is more efficient than the PV panel method because it converts more sunlight into electricity. The steam generation method requires a lot of open space, though. For example, a big field. Long cables are also needed to transmit the power from an open space to the city, which can be expensive. PV panels, on the other hand, can easily be placed on rooftops where the power is needed. There is no extra cost to transmit the energy in this way. Both methods have a similar disadvantage. They are unable to produce enough energy when it's cloudy or dark. Engineers are working on this problem. For now, though, people who use PV panels as their main source of energy must rely on batteries at night or when the weather is bad. One of solar energy's biggest drawbacks is cost. PV panels are still very expensive to buy. In some places, though, people are earning their money back. Wolfgang Schnurrer lives in Freiburg, Germany. He powers his home using solar energy. In the winter, the panels on the roof of Schnurrer's apartment do not produce enough energy. But on a sunny day in May, the panels can generate more energy than he and his family consume. When this happens, Schnurrer can sell the extra power back to the energy company in his city. In 2008, he made €2,500 or $3,700 from the extra power his solar panels generated. Despite the challenges, solar energy use is increasing worldwide. In Germany, Japan, and the United States, governments are trying to make solar power more affordable for everyone. And as people find that they can save money, and even make money using solar power, the number of countries using this energy source will surely grow.